Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a fantastic and super practical skill that just about anyone can benefit from. We're learning, step by step, how to create a video in Canva complete with background music. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to combine visuals and audio in a professional-looking video, ready to share on social media, business presentations, or just for fun. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, head over to Canva.com. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, it's totally free to sign up and it only takes a minute. Logging in gets you access to a whole world of design resources. Once you're in, look towards the top right of your screen for the big Create a Design button. Go ahead and give that a click. After you hit Create a Design, you'll see a bunch of different options pop up. Since we're making a video today, scroll down and select the video option. Canva will set up a perfectly sized blank workspace just for making videos, no need to worry about technical specs or resizing later. This part is actually really helpful because it takes all the guesswork out of video dimensions, making sure your finished project looks great whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, or sent directly to friends. Now you've got your blank video canvas in front of you, it's time to give your video a vibe or style. On the left-hand panel, you'll see the Templates section. Take a moment here to browse around. Canva has tons of beautiful video templates geared for different moods and purposes. Double-click on one you like, or if you'd rather start from scratch, you can simply upload your own video clips or images by selecting the Uploads tab. Don't be afraid to experiment at this stage. Templates can be fully customized later. With your visual foundation in place, let's make your video pop with some music. On that same left sidebar, look for the Elements tab, and inside Elements, scroll until you find Audio. Canva's library here is pretty impressive. They offer a range of soundtracks from energetic pop to relaxed acoustic. Click on a track to preview it, and if it fits your mood, just drag it onto your video timeline. Audio is key for setting the emotional tone, so don't rush this step. Think about what reaction you want your viewers to have: uplifted, calm, excited, and choose your music accordingly. At this point, you can make some fine-tuned adjustments to your project. Want to trim part of a clip? Just click on it in the timeline and drag the ends to crop. Prefer to lower the music volume so it doesn't overpower your voice or visuals. Select the audio track and adjust the volume slider. If something doesn't look or sound quite right, don't stress. Small tweaks are all part of the creative process. Now let's add even more polish. Feel free to add some text by clicking the Text tab, maybe a title slide, captions, or credits. You can also add animations to make elements fade in or slide around, making your video look extra engaging. These touches help guide the viewer's attention, almost like signs along a scenic hiking trail. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Click the Share button up top and select Download. Make sure to download it as an MP4, which is the standard video format for smooth playback almost anywhere. And that's it, your custom video with music, all done in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, it really helps the channel. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.